मैं सुहानी से रिक्वेस्ट करने वाली हूँ कि मेरा अगला सवाल जो है उनको प्रीएम्प्ट करना है.
Okay, you can close your eyes. Imagine you're asking me the question. I'm going to come ahead. Can I hold your hand?
Of course.
You can give me one of your hand. Give me this hand. That's it. And ask the question to me in your mind. You're thinking of another social media platform right now? Correct. So, what is a social media platform in your mind? It's not YouTube. You're on a YouTube fan fest and you're thinking of another platform. Okay, it's Reddit, and then you're thinking of.
I'm just blown away. Okay.
It is a question about a Reddit thread that you read about me some time ago, where it is about some other sports person being related to me in some way or the other. जब तक मुझे समझ पड़ना शुरू हुआ कि अच्छा ये लोग ताने मार रहे, अच्छा लड़की, अच्छा जादू, अच्छा अनकॉमन फील्ड, ये सब चीज़ें जब समझ पड़ रही थी, तब तक आई वॉज ऑलरेडी अ डेकेड इन टू मैजिक. आई वॉज ऑलरेडी 17 एंड 10 years of doing something. अब आप बुरा भी सुनोगे तो क्या है, this is your life, you know, now you like doing what you're doing. So that happened, and even today when I get these questions, the questions have not ended, they are still there. Even in any video of mine there will be many great comments. एक दो तो होंगे ही ऐसा कि ये तो कुछ ऐसा कर. We both come together to do anything, be it a stream or a video or just in general. When we meet, we make sure that there's a lot of fun around. I think the chemistry, even the audience sees that.
Hello everybody, I'm Rudrani and welcome to Zoom Speak Easy. My guest today is so magical. प्यार से उन्हें जादू परी भी कहा जाता है, क्योंकि वो बहुत सारे ऐसे interesting, mystical, magical चीज़ कर सकती है. Of course, she's super talented. It's so much fun talking about Suhani. Hello.
Thank you. Your voice is so magical with the way you started saying that. Oof. Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you. It is going to be fun and full of magic. But it must be so interesting, Suhani. Today you perform to major, massive gatherings, and you've been doing for years. And you started off as that little kid. And when you start off, you're just told stories about magic. No one really tells you to do magic.
Yeah.
Tell me how you look back at that journey today.
Very honestly, I sometimes feel very surprised by my parents, because I was a 6-year-old kid who just ran up to her father and be like, "Mujhe jadoo karna hai." And of course, there was a little bit banter here, there, few days of convincing, but they got convinced to a point that they didn't just want to teach me magic कि मैं स्कूल या बर्थडे पार्टी पे दिखा दूँ. वो मुझे बोल रहे थे, अब तो तू बड़ा स्टेज शो करने वाली है. तो उनका भी हमेशा ये था कि you're not going to perform at a smaller scale. You have to perform like a big stage show. And they invested time, money, energy, everything into making sure I become a proper full-fledged magician. To a point that it wasn't just about one show, it was multiple shows. And so because of my performances, traveling to different places, I didn't even go to school. And now when I look back, as you're asking, I'm like, yaar, matlab, at one I was like, Papa, मुझे प्यार तो करते थे ना, मतलब what is this, you made me quit school and making me perform magic. But then on a serious note, they had great faith in me, and I think I had great faith in them, and it's a combination of parents and kids that just worked, and I'm glad it did.
जब भी कुछ अलग करने की कोशिश करते हो ना, बहुत सारे लोग जिनको समझ में नहीं आता है ना, उनके पास कमेंट्स बड़े बड़े सारे होते हैं. You wanted to do magic, you wanted to become mentalist. You are today India's one of the most celebrated mentalists. ये बहुत ही अलग है, पर जिनको समझ में नहीं आता है उनमें हमेशा बहुत सारे ऐसे कमेंट्स होंगे, राइट? I sometimes when I read and they still tell you कि इसको काला जादू करती है, ऐसे विच है, ये है. But at that time, when you're a child and you're growing up, ये जब ताने मिलते हैं, you don't have that kind of, metal that you have today. So tell me, how did you deal with it then, and today, how do you laugh it off?
So, I think as a kid, my parents, again, I think मैं हमेशा अपने parents की ज़्यादा बात करूँगी बचपन की, because of course they were, as a kid you don't take a lot of decisions, you rely on them. तो इसलिए whenever it comes to that kind of questions, I have to go to my parents, and I think again they protected me well. I don't think इतना ज़्यादा criticism मेरे तक पहुँचा भी था till I was in my mid-teens, like till I was like 14, 15. I don't think I heard it by myself. Like पेरेंट्स को बोलते होंगे वो लोग कि यार अपनी बच्ची को क्या करो, ये भी सब मुझे बहुत बाद में पता चला. आई वॉज वेरी इन टू वॉट आई एम डूइंग, बहुत मज़ा आता था मुझे मैजिक शोज करने में रोज़. एंड जब तक मुझे समझ पड़ना शुरू हुआ कि अच्छा ये लोग ताने मार रहे हैं, अच्छा लड़की, अच्छा जादू, अच्छा अनकॉमन फील्ड, ये सब चीज़ें जब समझ पड़ रही थी, तब तक आई वॉज ऑलरेडी अ डेकेड इन टू मैजिक. आई वॉज ऑलरेडी 17 एंड 10 years of doing something. अब आप बुरा भी सुनोगे तो क्या है, दिस इज योर लाइफ, यू नो, नाउ यू लाइक डूइंग व्हाट यू आर डूइंग. So that happened, and even today when I get these questions, the questions have not ended, they are still there. Even in any video of mine there will be many great comments. एक दो तो होंगे ही ऐसा कि ये तो कुछ ऐसा करती है, but I think that's the nature of the internet. Also it's the nature of my art form. Magic एक art form ही ऐसा है जहाँ पर लोग question करेंगे, and I think that's the beauty of the art form. कोई भी इम्पॉसिबल चीज अगर आप अपने सामने होते हुए देखोगे, आप उसे क्वेश्चन करोगे, और मैजिक का काम ही है इम्पॉसिबल चीजें करना. सो इट्स एन आर्ट फॉर्म विच विल बी क्वेश्चनड, एंड इफ पीपल आर क्वेश्चनिंग व्हाट आई डू, विच मीन्स आई एम डूइंग इट वेल. अगर समझ पड़ने लग गया उनको तो सवाल नहीं पूछेंगे, और समझ पड़ने लग गया तो मतलब मैं बहुत गड़बड़ कर रही हूँ.
But it's a lovely way to look at it, isn't it,
It is.
Suhani? Fantastic. YouTube Fan Fest can't get bigger than this for you, isn't it? Massive crowd.
Absolutely.
It gets trickier every time you are planning for a show like this. Dhak dhak ho raha hai?
I love going on stage. I wait for the moment कि अरे कब जाना है, अरे कब जाना है. Like actually sitting backstage and just being mic'd up and you are like अच्छा, and the moment you get to stage you feel very excited. So I wait for the moments. I crave for the moments. I crave for stage time. I crave for the moment I'm on stage being able to interact with audiences. तो मुझे तो बहुत मजा आता है, and there's I don't think I'm nervous or as such. मतलब वो excitement होती है. I call it more of excitement than nervousness because there's a lot of happiness revolving that entire moment.
So what are the tricks that might come up this time in the Fan Fest?
This time we are doing something very fun. There's a little bit of dance that we are doing, which is very, very little bit, but then still because that's the new bit, so energy goes there a lot more.
Yeah.
And then of course I'm definitely doing magic, reading minds on stage, and something very interesting has been planned for the audiences along with a few very loved creators. So very happy about it. I don't want to reveal much. I want people to go and see what's happening.
What's happening? I mean, the interview is going to come post the show is live tomorrow, but even then we'll still hold on, है ना?
Yeah, no, you go back and see what I did.
We'll still go back. We'll see what we did.
Yeah, I mean the idea is very honestly, magic is the only bit which did like I don't we've rehearsed, everything has been rehearsed, the dance sequence, the things I'm going to talk, but the magic and the people I'm going to do it with, it's that's not rehearsed at all. Like the only thing we've been told is the markings, because magic is again the act where we cannot rehearse. We cannot let the people I'm performing with know what I am doing. तो उनको पता ही नहीं है क्या होना है, डायरेक्ट सुनिए कुछ तो बता दिया, लाइक अरे बता दिया तो फिर मजा नहीं रहेगा.
मजा नहीं रहेगा.
And hence we also, it's a lot of time magic is a bit where the surprise is for everybody, even for the magician. And it is like that for me. I hope everything falls in place, every influence, every mind reading bit, every thing that I'm going to do on stage, I hope everything falls in place at that time on stage for the act to do well. And so अभी बस हो जाए.
आपने ये बोला तो मुझे लगा कि कुछ करते हैं.
क्या
कुछ करते हैं. लोग हमेशा ये विश्वास नहीं करते. I think every time they meet you, they're like ये हो ही नहीं सकता, कुछ तो चीट कोड होगा. तो ladies and gentlemen, आपके लिए मैं सुहानी से रिक्वेस्ट करने वाली हूँ कि मेरा अगला सवाल जो है उनको प्रीएम्प्ट करना है. स्पेसिफिक सवाल है ये, प्रीएम्प्ट करना है. तो मुझे बताइए प्रोसीजर. आई नो हाउ टू डू इट. आई वॉच्ड इनफ ऑफ हर वीडियोस टू नो शी इज वंडरफुल एट व्हाट शी डज. बट प्लीज टेल मी व्हाट आई शुड डू, व्हाट यू वांट मी टू डू. सो ध्यान से.
दिस इज दैट मोमेंट फॉर मी जहाँ पर लोग कमेंट्स में लिखते हैं ना, जब तक मेरे साथ नहीं होगा तब तक नहीं मानूंगा.
बट आई एम अ बिलीवर. आई हैव सीन योर वर्क. तो मैं टेस्ट नहीं करती, लेकिन आप लोगों के लिए जरूर दोबारा. यहाँ से किसी को भी मेरा सवाल बिल्कुल नहीं पता है. इनफैक्ट एक चिट पे लिख के हमने उसको फाड़ के फेंक दिया है, जस्ट एज अ रिकलेक्शन ऑफ इट. सो
बट डज एनी ऑफ योर टीम मेंबर नो?
No, nobody in my team knows. We've made sure that nobody knows about
No,
the
you
questions.
haven't told anyone.
No one.
No one knows it.
No one knows
Just you know it.
Only I know it.
Okay. Okay, so you can think about the question in your mind as if you're about to ask me that question. So I'm sitting in front of you. It should be very easy. Imagine you're just asking me the question. It's a long question. I don't want to go in the direction you're taking me, but okay.
But can it get more specific than this?
I'm still trying to. Okay, you can close your eyes. Imagine you're asking me the question. I'm going to come ahead. Can I hold your hand?
Of course.
You can give me one of your hand. Give me this hand. That's it. And ask the question to me in your mind. You're thinking of another social media platform right now? Correct. So, what is a social media platform in your mind? It's not YouTube. You're on a YouTube fan fest and you're thinking of another platform. Okay, it's Reddit, and then you're thinking of.
I'm just blown away. Okay.
Oh God, Rudrani, why you want to ask me this question? It's a done and dusted story. You want me to say the question?
Yeah.
It's a done and dusted story. It's
I know, I
if you
know.
don't ask me. I'm okay to skip this question.
You can skip,
But
it
you
was-
now know that I know.
It's. I don't know if. I mean, we'll have to. I'm 100%
It's
sure.
a Reddit thread
Yeah, of course.
about something.
Yeah. So let me ask the question again to in my mind.
I know the question. It's a Reddit.
So what is my
it's-
question
oh
that I'm about to
God.
ask you, Shihani?
I wish I could skip questions like this in real life also. But anyway, it is a question about a Reddit thread that you read about me some time ago, where it is about some other sports person being related to me in some way or the other.
Blown.
Yeah,
So
I know the exact wordings that you are saying, but
You
I'm
know it?
avoiding them purposely. Yeah.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
हाँ, my wordings are इधर उधर थोड़ा.
I
But
know.
paraphrase
I'll
करके.
tell you. After this is over, I'll tell you. I'm just avoiding the question.
Okay, but it is pretty much what she just said. My question was
It's
around.
a,
Huh? Yeah.
yeah. So let's
But then
just
we can.
avoid
So
it.
she said it also to me. There's my question was around the fact, like she said, I also use her words only that in a Reddit discussing about somebody that she knows, a sports person, like she says, and she may have known the person very well, and they've been trying to dissect who the person exactly is, and very interesting names have been there.
I'm just glad nobody can read my mind.
But you're on Reddit. You can't. You're already famous now. Reddit में मतलब official ना celebrities तो मतलब all Bollywood celebrities on Reddit thread. Now you've Reddit verified. सब discuss कर रहे हो वहाँ पे. कौन हो सकता है ये?
I think people are really nice and they really love me a lot, and I'm glad they take so much interest in my life. Yeah.
Zuhani, you must be like मैंने क्यों छेड़ा था ये topic है ना? क्यों बोला था? You must
Actually, nahi, I don't have any problems in that. It was during pandemic and we were talking about it, and it happened, and I think my janta knows a lot about me, and I'm very happy because they've been very respectful to me. Like nobody has ever come to me in a way which is disrespectful, and especially जो मैं बोलती हूँ Susha squad जो है हमारी, the team, that community that we've built up. They are so nice, they're so warm, and everybody knows that the reason even I don't go out is it's just respecting everybody's privacy, and everybody's moved on, and in their personal life.
it'll just start another conversation.
Yeah, so I think it's just about that, and I just feel very loved and respected when things like this come up, and they put up so many nice comments, and they say things which makes you feel like a part of the family rather than a topic of gossip, and I really like that.
It is true. It is. I don't think there was any bad blood in what they were saying. So that's the main point of it. But because we're talking about this, I want to know, as a mentalist particularly, is it difficult being in relationships? I've always thought, I'm sure you've got this question before as well, right? Because people who know you, and now when you know after a point, they are in their, सबके दर में ये होगा, whenever someone's coming from me, I hope she doesn't read my mind. I hope she doesn't read my mind, right?
Yes.
तो आप थोड़ी ना कभी भी कर सकते हो. तो I want to know how you've kind of dealt with those situations. Has it happened to you?
Honestly, the way people look at the art form is very different than how it really is. But a few things definitely happens. You get to know about the person much more than what you should be knowing. So I feel the way dating and relationships work, especially the way dating work is, when you meet somebody on your first date, you should know this much about the person. Like let's say you're 10% about the person, and the second date you should know 15, and then third date you know like 40. So what happens is the curiosity is maintained, the excitement is there. I think with me what happens is the first time I meet person, I know more about them than what they want me to know.
Yeah.
And so the way to navigate with me has to be something very different. But I've got great set of friends, and I've been with some amazing people in my life, and I think I have my tribe, and I'm very happy about it. So people who've been with me, they know me more than what I know them.
Yeah.
So what happens is I feel they are the mentalists who read my mind. So if I go out and tell them, they're like, chal pata hai hame, you know. So I'm like, oh. So these are the friends I have who I think read my mind in and out. They know me, they know what I think, they know how I think, and I think that's the kind of that's what friends are, right?
Absolutely.
And I feel fortunate कि मेरे पास है ऐसे कुछ दोस्त जो मेरे साथ रहते हैं या मेरे साथ में है, मेरे कॉल लिस्ट में है, and I think enough है. I think very happy about it.
Wonderful. Friend, what is the world without friends, right?
Absolutely.
But you know, interestingly, besides what the fantastic work that you do, you're also an extremely funny person. You take jokes on yourself very well. Massive places, mein she's like, हाँ कर दो roast, कोई problem नहीं है. You know, which is no, but and what a wonderful prankster you are. Like,
Am I?
are you not? I think Samay and you doing that prank on phone. How can we not talk about that YouTube video, man?
Oh my God, that was hilarious.
That has been the few moments where I have seen Samay not at his A game because he was so nervous and you are at it.
Yeah.
Because Samay almost like abhi ruk jate hain.
Samay is a great friend,
Yeah.
and I think when we both come together to do anything, be it a stream or a video, or just in general,
Yeah.
when we meet, we make sure that there's a lot of fun around. I think the chemistry, even the audience sees that, and
Yeah.
I think, yeah, when you're good friends in general, it shows. And I think we're just natural. हम लोग ऐसे ही इतनी मस्ती कर रहे होते हैं कि you know, people just in general enjoy what we do as well.
So,
Sometimes you can't fake it, and I think that's with Samay and me. We are not faking it. It's actually we are good friends, and we are like having actual fun when we are like together.
Samay is among them. Who are the other YouTube creators who you very successfully can call friends and you'll have this really nice safe space?
Oh, many. In fact, मैं pandemic के दौरान मैंने content creation शुरू किया था. So I feel I came in much later than the other creators who were already there. And the kind of support that these creators and the community showered and the love they gave me, मैं तो सोच रही थी इतना प्यार कैसे है?
प्यारे हो आप.
कैसे हो?
प्यारे हो आप.
Thanks. No, but they were really good. So like Shlok, Tech Burner, he was very supportive. Midpat and I are great friends. Midpat's wife Urmila and I are great friends. Slay Point. Like all of the comedians, like the comedians and I go really well. So everybody, there's so many people. Like right now I'm on stage with Akash Gurleen and Thagesh. Such amazing people. So it's just a thing that when I'm backstage and it's like, "Arey Suhani sabko janti hai." I'm like, it's just a thing. Everybody's given me a lot of love, and we've had a lot of fun stuff happening around. So, bas ban gaye dost.
Very, very small fun questions. Are you ready?
Oh, okay.
Okay. What is your favorite YouTube moment in your journey?
I did this game show called That's My Job. I think I think those moments were very important to me. I never thought I could do that, and the way people created that show, and we did 4 seasons. I don't know how, and those are important moments for me.
Has Suhani ever crushed hard on a YouTuber?
YouTuber? No, I don't think so.
No.
No.
On another content creator?
Crushed hard? No.
No?
No. Not on a content creator.
Not on a content creator. Celebrity crush? I'm coming nearer.
No.
I'm the worst mentalist ever. Ever.
You know, but I'm also this person who just likes people a lot.
Yeah.
So, but वो कितना मस्त है ना, वो कितनी मस्त बंदी है. Like I just like people in general.
But if I ask you who's Suhani's celeb crush, वो तो होगा ना कोई.
Celebrity crush. या मैं तो ऐसी हूँ ना यार, जिसकी नई मूवी आती है मेरे को तो पसंद आ जाता है.
Oh, who's it?
अभी तो I've not seen any in the last few months, but I just like people.
Okay. No one specific.
No one specific. Actually, everybody, you can say it that way. They all
Okay.
are they're so nice.
They are.
I mean, how can you just say कि like there's so many amazing actors out there, so many amazing celebrities. How do you choose one?
You've interacted with a few. If you had to tell the most fun you had with the celebrity while doing a video, who would that be and why?
Most fun with a celebrity, I think Baman Irani sir. He was so much fun because he actually told me his answer, one answer in advance. And he's like, मैं यही बोलने वाला हूँ. मैंने कहा नहीं सर, मुझे बताओ मत आप क्या बोलने वाले हो. He's like, नहीं तू यही तो मैं एक्टिंग कर लूँगा, मैं बहुत अच्छा एक्टर हूँ. मैंने कहा नहीं सर, we don't cheat, you don't do this. Please don't say this answer in the video. Please make up a new answer. I actually will do. You actually do. So he was really testing me कि मैं actually pre-script करती हूँ कि नहीं करती. And then he was very fun. I had a lot of fun with him.
I love it. Okay, few collaborations you'd like to do in the YouTube world. Who would that be and why?
Everybody. I love collaborating with people.
Okay.
I think it's the community that has made my art form reach so much more to so much more people.
Okay.
Because I've collaborated with gamers, comedians, creators, sketch artists, tech creators, it has helped Magic, which is a minority art form in our country, reach wider audiences.
Yeah.
So it is their support that has helped my art reach people, and the more people who would like to collaborate, I would love to, because it is that's how my art reaches people, and that's how I like to meet amazing people.
Okay, the last one is a YouTuber that you admire for the work that they're doing.
So many. I like Prajakta Kohli. I like Shlok Srivastav. I like so many are there. Like, they do such incredible work. So yeah.
Amazing. All amazing names. Thank you so much. You are amazing as well, Shivani. And I am so excited that I had the privilege of experiencing this phenomenon that she is. Thank you once again. Sending you so much love.
Thank you. Thank you,
Thank you.
Rania. Thank you everybody for watching.